Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can fix and solve when your JBL tune flags they are not connecting and they are not, like, the left earbud is not working, on how we can fix this situation. So to fix this situation, it's not really difficult. What you need to do is that two things you can try. Go to the bottom of the app, go to the support, and here you're going to reset the factory settings. So this is the first thing that you can try. The second thing that you can try is that when you're going to have to disconnect it from the Bluetooth, or even unpair it. To unpair it, go to top right to settings, then go to connections, Bluetooth, and when you're going to turn it on, you're going to have all the things that you have been paired with, and you want to go to settings and unpair it right here on the bottom right. And now when you're going to have it in a case, so unpair it and everything, turn off the Bluetooth, then take them out, take both out, and you want to press 3 times the right earbud, and then on the third time you just want to hold. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3 and hold. For like 5 seconds, and now it's done. So this is how we're gonna reset them. We're gonna put them back in the case, and that's how we're gonna do it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.